Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. And guys, this actual video is all about why I'm not following a lot of trends with a lot of high tier business opportunities that are out there, and why I still promote the high tier business opportunities that I have. And number one is because integrity of the business owners. And I'm not saying that other people don't have integrity. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying one business owner I've been with, and he has been sharing from low tier to high tier since 2002. And I got involved with him when there was a program called Infinity Downline. Now, Infinity Downline was a $25 only tier business opportunity that later went from $25, $50 to $100. But it later, people didn't find it attractive anymore, because as time went on, people were looking for bigger fish, bigger opportunities, and I can understand that. When you grow, you want to expand. But what ended up happening was the same owner actually turned around and saw the vision that everybody was looking at, and he said, you know what, I've been in this industry pretty much just as long as anybody else, if not more, and I'm a leader in this industry, so I'm going to definitely provide those products and services for people. So what he did was he ended up giving high tier as well, but in a capacity that was available to a lot of people. And what I mean by that, when you're stretching to the point where you're having to ask people to take out loans, or you're asking people to do certain things, then sometimes that is stretching a person beyond what their normal capacity is. And there's nothing wrong with that, as long as you know that the system, the owner that is behind the system, is creating something that's doable for the masses. Now, as we always see, we see a lot of these high tier businesses come out of the woodwork because of one, and then they go to another one, and then they go to another one, and then they go to another one. But guess what? Have you seen any of them stand the test of time? A lot of times, because of how emotional people are and driven they are, they see the lack of, they see the defaults, they see the issues that might have presented themselves with the previous opportunity, and they create another business opportunity that's a high tier, so that it'll surpass the one that was having problems or issues or created stagnation along the way. Well, what ended up happening was, 4 years later, I'm still earning off of this same high tier business model, and I've decided to revisit it. And the reason why I said I'm revisiting is because I haven't talked about Easy1up in years. I really haven't. I had been online, I shared it with a couple of videos, but it took off in such a way because I had decided to start doing a postcard for it. And through postcard marketing, I was able to earn a very, very lucrative income from it. And because of the 2-up progression and compensation plan that it has trickled in, $250 here, $500 there. But I will assure you, it was income that was surpassing people that were having a monthly income from their job, and even more so than that. But I put it on the back burner. I don't really know why I put it on the back burner, but I'm letting you guys know I'm revisiting it. I'm not joining any of the new ones that are out here. I'm not going hoopla about any of this new stuff that's out here. I'm staying mainstream because I've been connected with this owner, which is Mr. Peter Wolfing. I have been connected with him over 17 years now, and to me, that's an impeccable integrity record, a moral record, and actually, it's just something that is unheard of in this industry. People come and they go, and they take all different types of programs. A lot of the big wigs will earn the money, 6 and 7 figures, and then the other people are left stagnant. They're left, what do I do now? Because here's the real truth, guys. A lot of times, if you're not using multifaceted ways of marketing, and this is one of the reasons why I share direct mail marketing with people, is because those that are online Trust me, they just started tapping into offline marketing, but they really still don't know about offline marketing. They are so used to that phrase, there is speed in the internet, and money loves speed. That's where you hear a lot of bigwigs, you hear a lot of gurus talking about that money loves speed. Well, I'm here to tell you, money loves anything that is work put into it, regardless. And I know because I've been doing direct mail marketing for almost over 30 years now. I've been doing direct mail marketing, and I can share with you, even though it's not the fastest way to earn money, it's the most secure, stabilized way to make money. And the reason why I say that is because I don't have to worry about whether or not somebody has a merchant account. I don't have to worry about whether or not a person understands Bitcoin or whether or not a person understands how to be able to use an app. I can simply ask them, just pay me by a postal money order, pay me by MoneyGram money order, Western Union, whatever. These are things that people have been accustomed to for many, many years, because those money orders they first started using was just paying their monthly bills. So I don't have to sit up there and reinvent the wheel for them and get them to understand anything as far as paying me when they step into a business opportunity. So I'm revisiting Easy1up once again, and I'm letting you guys know the highest tier there is $2,000, and that's for the Vertex Elite. Now, I'm going to tell you, if it sounds like a lot of money to you, well, I'm seeing a lot of these programs now, and I'm in several of them myself. I'm not saying that I'm not in any of them, but I am definitely trying to make sure that I can spread myself to the masses and give them something that they can actually work with. On my team, you will be getting a postcard opportunity for you to be able to drop a simple little postcard in the mail to go ahead and share the Easy1up opportunity. Now, I'm going to tell you here again, Easy1up starts as little as $25 and works its way up all the way up to $2,000. Now, if you don't like something like that, I understand. You want the mad money, you want the big money, but I'm going to tell you this. I am running into a lot of people that go and they extend themselves and spend large amounts of money to get into these high tier opportunities, but they very, very seldom have any money left over for any advertising whatsoever. A lot of them do not understand marketing online. A lot of them do not know who to go to solo ad vendors. And I will tell you, a lot of the big wigs, when they share solo ad vendors with you, they actually have already secured thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks with those solo ad vendors. And you can only hope and pray that some of those clicks are still available to you by the time you are stepping into them, and you may be able to get some earnings. You have to figure out a way for you to step outside of, up under them, so that they can actually give you an opportunity to earn some too and put you in a proper potential. At least be able to double up your money. There's nothing like getting 100% back when you put 100% of your efforts in. Now, I'm telling you guys not to discourage you, not to say that anything else out there is not a good fit. I'm just seeing a lot of people that are suffering. I have had people that came in under my team and they suffered. They suffered because they came in a big way, and the company themselves, because they were sharing all of the information with everybody that actually came in, and no one actually had fresh resources, no one actually had fresh ideas for them to be able to take care of themselves and be able to get a great start. It hurt them in the long run. It hurt them to the point where they thought, okay, I go to something else and maybe there's some more fresh resources there. And I hope and pray all of that works out very well for them. But I'm here to tell you, if you incorporate maybe some offline strategies to your to your marketing effort, I assure you, you will get more than what you do when you're following behind a lot of the onliners. And the reason why is because there's very few resources, and I assure you, I have been in some inner circles that have told me I am not going to share my golden egg or my golden goose, but I will share some little golden nuggets with them, enough for them to get a few sales. After that, they should figure it out on their own. I have heard these things myself. I have heard these things from 7-figure earners. I've heard these things from other 6-figure earners, such as myself. But I will tell you this, I'm a firm believer there's enough to go for everyone. There's enough to go around for everyone. Guys, I want you to understand, going from one to the next, to the next, to the next, a lot of times is not helpful for you. It is more harmful than anything. So why am I staying with Easy1up? Again, like I said, the integrity that this young man, Mr. Peter Wolfen, had. I've been in Easy1up since the beginning. It's going 4 years strong now. Every product and service that he actually has given me since 2002 has given me nothing but earnings and profit potential, because he knows how to set up an infrastructure that is due to win for the masses. All you have to do is basically position yourself, make sure you use the resources, and also find some resources on your own, and actually tap into the resources that your leader has. I have several resources that I use. They are not always online resources, guys. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of it is a lot of competition. And if you don't have the money to compete with a lot of the big guys online, sometimes you can get swallowed up. And I don't want people to get swallowed up, okay? I need you to understand that. So if you want to revisit Easy1up, if you remember Easy1up, if you want to take your opportunity and create an online residual as well, with Easy1up, with the 2-up compensation plan that they have, which is a very, very simple compensation plan, but it's a compensation plan that is doable. It's a compensation plan that is very, very successful. Definitely click the link below. If you have further questions and you want to revisit the Easy1up, or at least find out more information about Easy1up, please, again, click the link below, or you can email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com so that I can answer any questions that you have concerns with. I need you guys to also understand too, if you think I'm hopping from program to program, I'm not. Each one that I share with you, I am still viably a part of. Okay, the only ones that I'm not a part of are the ones that have been dismantled by either some kind of malicious activity that's been done by gurus, that's been done by other people that has misrepresented the company, or they have done by other people that actually were the head of it and they were scammers. And some of those, I can't name the names because I did get a YouTube infringement at one particular time, actually my first, and I'm trying my best for it to be my last, when I actually pointed the fingers out on the people and I named names. I will tell you, Gladiator coin, those type of things, Yoda, all of those things that I shared in my past, I definitely gave the information out so that people knew exactly what happened, how it happened, and why people were using those platforms to scam people because they were following off of other opportunities. Again, all of my research is going into me being the guinea, making sure that I know that things work, and making sure that when I pass something on to you, that you have a viable fighting chance to be in the winning circle and give you some profit potential as well. I am not giving any more gurus any more information directly from direct mail. They're going to have to figure that thing out on their own, because I do not want anyone else to suffer like they have suffered this past year. Okay, the year before, excuse me. And that will not happen again, not at my hand. The thing about it is, you know better, you do better. You learn things. I promise you, I am one that loves to learn from any mistakes that I have made previously. So I want you guys to know, you can look up Mr. Peter Wolfen yourself. He has an infrastructure that's called Multiplex Systems, and under that umbrella is Easy1up and several other opportunities that I'm involved in. But I am revisiting Easy1up, and it is one of my selections for an online opportunity that will allow you to be able to get nice influx of cash influx. Okay, that's $500, $1,000, $2,000. I think those are very, very nice cash influx that will allow you to be able to get you to the goals that you want without you breaking the bank, without you taking money out of the mortgage, without you making any monumental sacrifices when you have a wonderful family at home that you need to take care of. So I'm letting you know, I am not getting into these other big ones right now. I don't see it, I don't feel it, and that's only because I want you all to win. Not some of you all, but all of you all. Okay? So guys, y'all have a good one. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Click the link below if you want to revisit, or at least check out what Easy1up is all about and why Mr. Peter Wolfen has reigned in the industry as long as he have. You guys have a wonderful one, and I'll speak to you soon.